Okay, so we're in Siam. So Siam has Central World. There's a general hospital, police general hospital. Go check out the world. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Village, and there's a big Christmas tree up here, so we're also going to see what this is all about. But yeah, Central World and World Cinema. Netflix is here. So this is the... Okay, so they also have a lot of stuff over here too. Just going to take a look and see. Central World. Got a giant Christmas tree. Let's see what else they got here. So Central World, and it's Christmas, and it's so I guess they have Christmas decorations everywhere here. So let's just kind of see what they're all about. So everybody's posing, need some pretty creative pictures. Family photos. Okay, let's see if we can get. Central World. So pretty cool. Central World. Pretty cool. It's actually kind of interesting because it's was it December 21 or 20th, I think, something like that. We got Christmas, more Christmas stuff over here. Probably turning the camera quite a bit, but okay. So here's the Central World exit. World of Happiness, okay. It's all the Christmas stuff. So we're just going to keep walking through outside, and then we can capture some of the feeling of this. There's like some pretty cool art stuff over here. Oh, actually all of it is like it's really cool antique things. Records. Actually, I'm just going to film. So much cool stuff around here. Wow. Look how old, antique-ish these things are. Amazing. cool too. Capture that and frame it. It's pretty cool right there. Oh, look at this. Oh. Might come back here and film in a little bit. Just so much cool stuff in here, wow. But I'm kind of getting near my time. So, okay. So you kind of got a taste for this video. There's Christmas and antiques. And food and other shopping too. So I'll do more later. So we're gonna conclude this one right about in the middle of everything.